Hello everybody, tonight's dinner spaghetti with broccoli, spicy sauce. I add some spicy sauce right there. Pumpkin bread, I just poke with the fork. Just wanted to check it out, it's ready or not. I'm not making any frosting for this because it's by itself it's so tasty. And right here, salad for the day, cucumber, onion, avocado, and peas and kidney beans. Homemade dressing. You can check the recipe for this. And right here, oopsie, I'm making lemon flavored chicken. Enjoy. I hope you like this happy cooking video. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.